Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have an unbagging for you. Unbagging because I already pulled it out of the box, and it is from QVC, and it was something that I was watching the other day and I could not resist. If you are interested to see what I got, just keep on watching. First of all, if you are new here, my name is Patty and I love doing handbag videos. I do other videos as well, but most of the time they have to do with some kind of handbag. I am a handbag addict and I am not embarrassed to admit it. And I am so happy to be a part of this community because I have found a lot of people like myself that have the same addiction, and it doesn't make me feel as bad. So anyway, the other day I was watching QVC, and if you guys know me and have been with me for a while, you know that I'm a big Dooney and Bourke fan. I love Dooney and Bourke, and I absolutely love their suede leather. I did want to pull out some of my suede bags, which I didn't, but I'm pressed for time and I wasn't able to do that. But later on, if you're interested, I can do a video on my suede bags. I have I want to say 3 suede satchels. I have a logo lock in black suede, and I have a I want to say it's like an army green, or I forgot what it's called, but it's like a military green, beautiful green suede. And that one is like a drawstring type of satchel from Dooney and Bourke. They're all from Dooney and Bourke, and I love Dooney and Bourke suede. If you're familiar with it, you guys, it is gorgeous. It smells yummy. It lasts. It doesn't, well, mine have never gotten dirty. Of course, I'm really careful with them. But this is called the Hunter Crossbody, and I'm sure you guys are familiar with it. You know, I have seen it in other leathers, but I had never seen it in suede until I was watching QVC the other day, and they had it, and I was like, oh my gosh. And they had it, I think they were sold out of a lot of colors. I think it was on clearance. I don't think I paid full price for this, or it was either on clearance or on sale. Don't quote me on that because I don't remember. But I do know that they were sold out of quite a bit of colors, but they had the color Honey, which is probably one of my favorites because it's so equestrian looking and so fall and winter looking. So I thought I'm gonna order it, and you know, if I don't like it, I will send it back. That's one of the good things about QVC. You can send, you know, your stuff back if you don't like it, but I can already smell it. And you know, I used to have a jacket in suede in this color, and if I can find it and it still fits me, I am gonna pull it out for the fall and winter. But I am a sucker. I love the size, you guys. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Gorgeous. Oh yes. No, this ain't gonna go anywhere. I thought if anything, if I don't like it, I'm going to send it back, but no. I love it, you guys. I'm going to tell you something I don't like, and I can tell you that right off the bat, and I'm sure they showed it there, and I just didn't pay attention. But what I don't like about it, and it has a little dust bag. Great, because this bag needs to be in a dust bag. I mean, all my suede bags that I have are in dust bags, but when I pull them out, they look fabulous. You know, a lot of people are afraid, I think, of that suede, and don't be afraid, you guys. If you like it, Oh my gosh, you have got to get it. And I'm going to tell you what I don't like. And it's not a bad thing, but this part right here is all suede on the inside. All in here, which is beautiful. But once you start putting your stuff in and out, I don't know how long that's going to hold, how long that's going to last, if it's going to be okay. You know what I mean? I kind of wish that would have been in this same material. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful, but I'm afraid of the wear and tear. And, you know, if that's going to be a problem down the road. Here, it comes with a key keeper, which when you have a bag this small, I feel like you shouldn't even put a key keeper on there. There's a date code, which I didn't realize Dooney and Bourke, all Dooney and Bourke bags had. It has this is the first compartment, no pocket there. You open it up, there's a zipper compartment, you can say, and then there's another zipper compartment on the inside with a pretty good size pocket right here. Okay, and then there's this suede, which is gorgeous, but like I said, I don't know how well that's gonna hold up once you start putting your stuff in and out of there. You know, I don't know if that's a good thing. There's a gusset right here. And then on this other side, you have like some Sierra brown leather pocket with 1, 2, 3 card slots right here for 3 card slots. Okay. And then it's got another pocket right here. I am digging this bag, you guys. Love. It's another pocket right here, zip pocket, and then it has a pocket on the inside. So it's this pocket, well, the big main compartment, and then there's a pocket right here on this side, a flat pocket. Beautiful bag, you guys. Beautiful. I think this is gorgeous for the fall. I've told you before, I live in southern New Mexico, so even our winters, we may or may not get snow, but it's kind of rare. And so it's not very wet. It's cold, but it's not wet. So I can get away with using this type of material. Got a little sticky glue there on the suede. It's okay for me to use this material in the winter, which is when I think I would be using this, because to me this is not like a summer bag. This is a pull this out in the fall with some boots and a nice coat. Oh my gosh, yes. Let's look at the strap, and it is in that Sierra trim leather. It is adjustable. It is a very thin strap, which is okay with me. It doesn't dig into my shoulder. Some people don't like it because they say it digs into their shoulder, but I really, really like it, you guys. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about it, but I know how I feel about Dooney suede, and I know I love the color honey. To me, it is very equestrian looking, very kind of southwesterny, and I love, you know how I love that. So this was perfect for me. And they had a lot of beautiful colors, but they were all gone. And fortunately, they had one of my favorite colors, which is this one, because to me this reminds me of chestnut. I mean, not chestnut, I'm sorry, natural. The natural Florentine leather. Oh, I can't get that off. And you know how I feel about the natural. This is gorgeous with this brown strap, the gold Dooney and Bourke nameplate right here. The strap is adjustable, but it's also removable. You can take the strap off if you want to use this as a cute little clutch, which I probably won't do that. I'll probably wear it as is. And she is perfect. I love her. She smells divine. And if you are in search of something like this, oh, I just found another pocket. Look at this, you guys. Remember, I thought there wasn't a pocket back here. I thought it was just sewn on there. Pocket back in the back that will easily slip my phone. It's not very deep, so I don't know if I would risk putting it back there, because for the smaller phones maybe, but my phone's ginormous, so it might not work back there. But beautiful bag. If you're interested in something like this, they had them on QVC, and I do not remember what I paid for it. I wish I had my receipt here, and I don't. But I'm pretty sure it was on sale. So get over there and check it out if you're interested. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by, everyone. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did. And I hope to see you again on my next video. We will see you again soon, hopefully. Have a great rest of your day and be blessed. Goodbye.